Step 1 is trimmer line. Step 2 is Andis shaver. Step 3 is wall open, which is known as a half. Step 4 is to lower the half guard halfway down and don't travel all the way to the half line. The walls are not zero gapped, therefore you need to take out the Andis Masters and take out the original trimmer line. I am now using a number 3 in the parietal ridge and working my way down. Everyone knows below a number 3 is a number 2. Haircutting does not need to be difficult. Below the number 2 is your white 1.5. Next in line is the universal 1mm guard that's going to take out anything the white 1.5 may have missed. Next in line, below the 1mm guard, is the half guard, also known as the baby guard. When you have it all the way up, it acts as a number 1. You have the ability to lower the lever and go below a 1. Please keep in mind how I'm stretching the skin with my thumb. That's enabling me to get into small areas and make the fade as nice as possible. Now that the fade is coming out great due to the baby guard being an amazing guard, I'm going to move to the top of the head. I last left off with a 4.5 around the crown. I'm going to preserve the length in the front and use a number 8. Now that the fade has come together, what we want to do is we want to fade the beard into the bald fade. So what I'm going to do is take his beard down to a half because it's pretty coarse. And after outlining it, it's going to be really, really sharp. If doing shape-ups known as outlines is difficult to you, do what's given first, the parts that are the easiest, like coming straight down in front of the ear. What this will do is it'll boost your confidence to do the harder parts like the arch. First thing you want to do is you want to make your reference point. 1 is where the hairline ends, which is what I just did. Second, you want to go in and develop how wide you want the sideburn to be. Once you develop how wide you want the sideburn to be, you can connect it right into the arch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure it's nice and sharp at every single angle. And then we're going to connect the sideburn right into the beard. Stretching out the skin is helping me get into smaller areas and make sure it's as sharp as possible. When connecting the sideburn into the beard, that's a very sensitive area. A lot of problems that barbers face these days is they go over the same spot over and over and over again. You don't want to hit this too many times because that's prone to redness and irritation of the skin. I hope you enjoyed my video and please subscribe to my YouTube.